With the Fed in focus today, what can happen to the market? Two things. It's either the market continue to rally or the market can continue to pull back. But welcome. If you think that I've earned your time, if you think that I've earned your time, please like and subscribe to the channel. But today we're expecting a 25 basis point from the Federal Reserve because the Federal already cut 75 basis points. So they're still sticking to their path where at 2 o'clock today, an initial cut from the Federal Reserve to bring down interest rate and all of these good stuff. Therefore, the market already priced in a 25 basis point. If this does not happen, then we are all in bad shape because what's going to happen is that money is going to be harder to borrow at higher interest rate, and also 10-year treasury yield is going to continue to go up. And with 10-year treasury yield going up, what's going to happen? The market is just continuing to sell off. Nasdaq is gradually pulling back in pre-market. What's causing this? None of us have an idea yet. But looking at Nasdaq from a closer point, you can see that we're pulling back pre-market. Looking at Nvidia, Nvidia pushed up, and there is still room for support. There's still room to break. So if Nvidia doesn't find support today at 126 at 2 p.m., if they continue to bleed, we can see the falling knife going at $101, or if not, we can see a falling knife going at $90 because what happened? We broke previous support and then we broke support again at $128. With all those support and trend line being broken, it's only saying that one thing, that the stock have more room to get rejected. So as they continue to make higher highs and sorry, as they continue to make higher lows, what can happen is that the stock can continue to bleed. Like for example, consolidated, make a higher low, pull back, consolidated, higher low, pull back, consolidated, higher low. Then look what happened again, consolidate again, pushed up, higher low. So there is way more room for this stock to get rejected. So before you put all your eggs in one basket, rethink. The stock is already up 168 points on the year. So there is room for improvement. Most investors are not looking to these stocks. Why? Because they're so overbought. What they're doing, they're looking at stocks that super oversold and have a run up for next year. For example, SoFi, great stock, super undervalued, and it's going to run up next year, I can tell you. So when you see it pull back, it's your chance to get in. Support is looking at $16 or mid $15, low $15, $14, you're in gold. So look out for that. Nasdaq currently pulling back, and we have like what, like say like 6-7 minutes for market to open. So don't be surprised if market trade sideways today until Nasdaq find their purpose on this time. What does that mean is like and subscribe to the channel before you switch, because we're creating nice content here. So for AMD, I think AMD still have some more room to pull back. As you can see, AMD have been consolidating, same thing like Nvidia has been doing, making higher low. Look at this. Consolidated, sold off, no longer selling off, consolidated, pushed up, higher low formed, and then pulled back, pushed up again, higher low form, consolidated, and look what we're doing. We're still on our way down. So you don't know where the support is because we keep on breaking previous support. So until AMD is at $120 a share, I would stay away from this stock and wait for nice consolidation and continuous pushing up. So until that is formed, if you look at the stock from 1 year chart, you can see that the lowest the stock has been in 1 year is $121.83. So if you're looking to go along with AMD, wait for 121, or you have chance that you can bag hold the stock for you know when. For example, if you had bought at $227, because you're an investor, you don't care about price. You're in for the long run. You would have been holding AMD in the red from from the 3rd, from March of this year. You'd have been holding from March of this year at $227 when the stock is currently trading at 125 and 83 cents. So again, it's very significant and it's very vital for you to know that you want to know where the last point in a stock is before you think about entering, even if you're going long as an investor. So until then, please like and subscribe and share the channel, let others know what we're doing here by technical breaking down and informing you with news, what's going on in the market, and how to prepare yourself. So when the market give you lemon, you make lemonade from it. Until then, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button.